So this is actually pretty funny because in Chicago it's currently 33 degrees. So this shows that the engine is cold. It's 56 degrees because we just ran it out of the shop, which is hilarious because it looks like the goddamn thing's on fire. But cold start.